Gold prices extend New Year's gains by edging closer to its all-time highs. The rally supported by a pullback in the dollar and a weak rupee. On the other hand, traders remain cautious as they await minutes from the Fed Reserve's December policy meet. Will this gold rally sustain? Joining us, Vandana Bharti, AVP Commodity Research at SMC Global Securities. Vandana, thanks for joining us. Everyone's been waiting to see this pickup in their precious metal. What are you making of the uptick that we're seeing in gold?
Yeah, we have seen a very wonderful 2022 if we talk about gold, and especially in the domestic market. In international market, we have seen a return of around, say, minus 2% in gold. But yes, in domestic market, because of the depreciation in rupee, it made a profit of around 13%. So sometimes we feel that it is as relevant as it was 5,000 year back, because the bad factors, the negative factors in the market is still there in 2023. Yes, Ukraine-Russia war is already there. We are talking about slowdown. Now we are talking about recession, and the Dow Jones S&P 500 itself, it is giving a negative return of 19 to 20%. So when we talk about recession and all bad news, suddenly gold come in fashion, and because it has safe haven buying, and we take it as an insurance of the portfolio. And we have seen that how even the physical gold, it was important in 2022. Just for an example, like Russia was asking for gold instead of like dollar for crude oil trade. So it is very relevant in current context. And we have seen that there was a fall of around 114 in dollar index, from 114 level to 104. So it is depicting the condition of fragile currency environment in 2023. And whenever we have some shocks in economic shocks and like fragile currency environment, in that scenario, like gold outperformed always. So this year we are expecting that this year in comics, we are expecting of around at least 10 to 12% return in gold. So one should keep on buying on dip. And in domestic market, the rally should continue, because first half of 2023 is expected to be sluggish, as Fed is still stubborn on interest rate hike and for inflation fear. And if we talk about inflation, like whenever we find in general inflation is there in the economy, generally gold perform better than another asset class. So see, in 2022, like most of the equity market, they have given the negative return and inflation was there. In 2023, we are expecting that inflation will slow down,
Yeah.
but at least 4.5% inflation is expected till the end of 2023. So this metal will remain very relevant in 2023.
Interesting. So what are the kind of levels we're talking here then, Vandana? You know everyone's going to ask you that.
For 2023, first we should wait for some correction, because the rally is heat up, and we have seen around 15%, 16% return in gold prices in MCX. So yes, one factor is here currency is 85, 84 in 2022, and continuous depreciation, unfortunately, we may see in INR. So it will add on the premium in domestic gold. But yes, one should wait for a dip of around like 50,000, 51,000 in Indian market. In international market, expect a move of around 1750, 70, $60 in gold. But yes, on higher side, we are expecting $22.50 in comics. Simultaneously, if we talk about the domestic gold, MCX gold I'm talking about, it may see a level of around 58,000, because like inflation fear will remain there. Recession is already there, and China is not any giving any positive sign on economic front, despite of heavy stimulus and all. And there is a real problem in real estate of China. So till the time these US and China, they are reeling under pressure, this metal will give an edge to the investors.
Great. One last question, but gold versus silver, what would you choose at these levels?
Very interesting, because in 2022, we have seen that silver outperformed gold.
Yeah.
And after 2012, we have seen first time silver physical demand, it has increased, and supply side is normal, very normal. So till the time now, every government, they are talking about clean energy, green energy, and EVs and all. So in all those sectors, silver is consumed, and we have very restricted supply this time, because this is not the commodity which is coming from the main mine supply. It is only the substitute, or the other metal which will find along with gold, copper, zinc, bauxite, and all. So there is no major mines apart from Mexico and Peru for silver, and recycling is very low as compared to the gold. So we may see supply tightness, along with demand is rising here by 4 to 5% in 2023. And the gold silver ratio, we always do the comparison between the gold silver ratio. It is going to improve in 2023, and we have seen a very good rally in base metal despite some hiccups in economy. This time the supply side of base metal is also very on tighter side. Even LME inventories is giving a red signal for that. So yes, if base metals see an upside, and gold already we are expecting an upside. So this commodity take the strength from both of this counter, and based on that, we are expecting that this year too, silver may outperform gold. On comics, we are expecting that we may see 32, say 32, $35 kind of level in comics. And if we talk about in INR terms, we may see the level of 80,000 to 85,000 in silver. So definitely one should go for buy in silver as compared to gold. And yes, silver ETF is one of
Sure.
the favorite tool of Indian investors. With just 100 rupees, we can invest in silver. So this is the gala time to invest in silver.
Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us, Vandana, and taking us to the latest on precious metals.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.